Cool. A good day to you. Greetings from Mr. Victor to everyone who has taken his or her time to click on the link to join my revision classes. This revision classes is made to remind you to revise all the topics and events that happened in second term, grade 5. Now, previous video, in case you've not seen the previous video, kindly use the options. Kindly find the previous video in the smart app section to see the previous video that we discussed. We started discussing organizing information in document environment, and then we have subunits here. We have creating tables, modifying tables, formatting tables, inserting header and footers, even page number pictures as well onto your header and footer. So we discussed that. We discussed the first option of how to put a table in your document. What is a table? We discussed that. We said table is a combination of rows and columns. It could be 2 rows, 3 columns, 1 row, 3 columns, as the case may be. Various combinations all make up what you call a table. And you'll be wondering, what's a row, what's a column? In the video it was discussed, rows run across, and then columns run downwards this way. And then we say a cell is where a row and column meet. Just one little box. It's called a cell. Please see my previous video. We discussed one of the ways you can add a table to your work. So over here, you can see I'm running to my insert tab. If I click on insert, I'll go to the table section. The table section from the ribbon I have provided. You can see the 3 main ways to add up a table to your environment. First is through the insert table option. Second is through draw table. Third is through convert text to table. I might be wondering, okay, what is the Excel spreadsheet used for? That will be discussed now. Sorry, in subsequent class, in the following classes. Next is quick table. This is used to insert stuff like list, stuff like calendars that MS Word might provide you to add up to the space you have. And this is also a shortcut as discussed. So quickly, let's just see how to use the draw table. We have discussed insert table option. Let's see how to use the draw table. Now, before we go to draw table, what is the aim of using draw table? With draw table, you can draw customized table. You can draw a table to your own taste, in your own environment, in your own little space. So it means you can add up a small table over here. You can see my pointer is looking at your computer table here, a table at various locations, and the table could be to your own taste. Quickly, let's click on the draw option and see what table we can draw here. The teacher click and drag in the space he has. You can see this coming, and then the teacher can also click and drag again in the box. So you see that table now. I may be wondering, how comes the text is moving? Well, if you want the text to align appropriately with your job, you quickly select the handle. Don't forget, you must press escape key to let go of the pencil tool. When you do that, you right click on your table, you run to table properties, and you ensure you click around so that the picture can actually align properly with the job you're doing. So I'm going to bring it down. Trust me, I'll be bringing it down so that they both can align the best way they should align. So I'm leaving it this way. Now, this is your draw table option. I've used this to draw a simple table to my taste. I can also add up a small table here. If I go to insert, I'll quickly click on table. I'll click on draw table. The teacher comes here and draw a small table to his taste. So you can see the advantage of using the draw table option. You can draw table to your taste, customized table, catchy tables that you can use to put up little comments, little pictures, little pointers at various locations of your work. I want to thank you for staying tuned. I want to also say, please continue to watch various videos that will come your way regarding revisions, regarding topics that we have treated last time. Remember, we've used the insert tab, we went to tables, we also choose the draw table option. Thank you so much. And remember to always click and drag in the space provided using the pencil tool that looks so synonymous to your pencil. This tool, you can see this tool here. Thank you for watching. Please watch subsequent video coming your way. Activities as well will be coming shortly to you. Thank you and thank you.